going? Hopefully your day's going well. I woke up this morning actually extra early. I was pretty stoked. I set my alarm for 9. I woke up at 7:30 fairly easily, so I don't really know how that happened, but I'm not complaining, so let's get on with the day.
Hello?
Yeah, I arrived.
Okay, you remember my house at?
Yeah. Alright, should I come up, or are you ready to go right now?
Yeah, I'm ready to go.
Cool. Alright, so I have arrived at Chris's house. Should be coming out any second. And we're gonna go to the beach. I'm freaking excited right now. I don't know about you guys. What up? This is Chris.
What's up? Are we taking your truck or my van?
Let's do your van.
Okay. We're going back. We're just gonna find a spot to park. Alright, bye.
We have arrived in La Jolla, and we're gonna be meeting up with our friend Michael. I'm trying to find a spot right now because it can get kind of crazy.
There's no parking!
Yeah, there's like no parking.
You're gonna be on a vlog, bro.
What's up, dude? How's it going, man?
What's going on, brother?
Dude, we gotta go. We gotta go. We actually need to go down there now because I really wanna go swim. The smell of the ocean is amazing. I keep reminding myself for over and over every few months that I live here. It's kind of crazy. Simply just kind of relocating now because it smelled bad and it's like crazy insanely busy over there. Oh, okay, here, a little off-roading. Yeah. This is a nice spot because then we can just like sit and chill. Ceases to amaze me that I live here. It's crazy. It's absolutely insane. I mean, like, look at this. Oh yeah.
That way.
So at this beach, the waves are a little bit different than a lot of San Diego because as far as I'm pretty sure I got this right, there's like a big drop off pretty quickly with this beach, so it creates really steep waves and really big waves pretty close to shore. So that's why you're getting these like extremely strong currents that'll like sweep you out. Like it totally swept us out.
And where there are deep waves like that, there's sharks.
Oh, sketch. Sketch. I didn't realize that. But yeah, these waves, they can get kind of crazy. I've been in this where the waves are like above my head, like they're huge. So it's so much fun though. We're getting food and it's within walking distance. Dude, a grilled cheese pizza would actually. Taco stand. What did we end up getting?
We got 3 California burritos.
3?
It's all about that California burrito.
3 California burritos. And I am so hungry and excited. Yes.
Taco stand is pretty good. It just takes forever.
And right now we have our good old burritos, so let's dive in. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, here it is.
That stuff, alright. Just surgically opened it out.
You gotta do it. You gotta do what you gotta do.
Oh, it's so good. Man.
All right, that was so good. I just can't. It was so good.
Yes, it was very good.
My first time, it was really good.
Are we gonna head back to the beach now, or?
Yeah, so we're gonna be heading back to the beach.
We have arrived at the beach. We're back here, and we're just chilling. I don't think Chris might go in the water, but I don't think I'm going to. I don't think Michael will either. So I'm just chilling, relaxing, enjoying the view, and just having an overall good time. All right, so we are leaving the beach now. Chris almost fell walking up. Actually, Chris and Michael both did fall while walking up.
Chris just ate it real bad.
Yeah, Chris just ate it real bad.
Yeah.
So I think we're gonna go to a coffee shop now. Get a little bit of coffee and
little Hawaiian coffee.
a little Hawaiian coffee. What's the difference between that and normal coffee?
I don't know, ask your vloggers.
Ooh, what is the difference between Hawaiian coffee and normal coffee? Who knows? Comment below. All right, we have arrived at Living Room, which is a coffee shop in La Jolla, I think. It's pretty cool. So we're just gonna chill out here for a little bit. So today was a really solid day. We ended up going to the beach and getting some burritos at the taco stand, and then going to the living room and just kind of hanging out for a little bit. But I'm gonna wrap it up for today, but I will see you guys tomorrow.